Hello everyone, my name is Roshni and I am from Patna and I did my BSc in Forensic Science this year, like I got graduated, and currently I am pursuing my post graduation in Forensic Science from one of the central universities in India. This year I gave CUET, through that I got it. Uh, so let's begin the video. The thing that I want to talk about is private colleges because I did my bachelor's from a private college, so I thought to share a few things regarding it so that if you are thinking to go for a private college for to do your bachelor's or master's anything, what are the things you should see before getting into it. So let's begin. So the first thing is go on LinkedIn and see that if you are thinking about any colleges, example ABC college, it's in any state of India and you want to do you want to pursue a course there. So go on LinkedIn or search on YouTube. That is like is any content is there regarding that college, because many people share their experiences regarding anything, so you can go and see there. So LinkedIn can be a good option because there you can message people also that, hey, my name is this and I want to know about this. Is the course is good? Is the academic is good? Is the practicals going is good? Everything you can ask. People reply and try to ask nicely so that people will reply, because sometimes on LinkedIn, if you are sounding little unprofessional or you are not on point, people will just see your message and leave. So try to convey a message in a way that people will see and reply you. Okay, so one of the way to check is LinkedIn. Obviously Google is there, you can see everything, but if what I'm saying is go for the opinions of people who are studying there, because the reality of that place will be given by only those people who had or who have studying who are studying there. Okay, so yeah, first thing is this, that how to see that is the college is good or not. The second thing is that uh, I would say just if you are see any private college will ask a lot of money, you know this, like you need to pay a lot of money to the college, so you should be lucky. I need to take it off in a way that I should get best, or like not best because nothing is best, like you should feel like कि जब मैं वहाँ गया हूँ तो मेरे पैसे लग रहे हैं, तो मुझे वो एकेडमिक और प्रैक्टिकल्स का एक्सपोजर प्रॉपरली मिल रहा हो, because you are paying your like money like water, like what to say. So this is coming from experience that I am sharing with you. So if you are going for a private college, प्रॉपरली देखो कि एकेडमिक प्रैक्टिकल अच्छा है या नहीं. आई वुड से कि अगर वो जगह या वो स्टेट अगर तुम्हारे घर से नज़दीक है, या फिर इफ़ द प्लेस इज़ नियर बाय योर native, or anyone is living there, like some relative or any friend, anything who is there in that city, ask them to go and see. And go and see, that doesn't mean ki go and see the building and come. Go and see the lab and try to talk with the students who are there. And I will suggest you ki go by yourself and see everything regarding that colleges are like colleges good academic, because see एक मिनट के लिए if the academic is not good, somewhere you can manage because you need to study by yourself, but because they will not spoon feed you every time, you need to wake up and study, because it's all in your hand. But the practical thing, if they don't have good instrument, if they don't have good setup, if they don't have machines, like not machines, the equipment, instruments for the lab, then what is the point? Because academic though, anyhow you will see the syllabus, you will go for books, you will search, you will go on Google, you will go on the content that teacher is giving, or else at last you will yeah, or at last you will go and chat GPT it. Fact is this, but agar if the practicals are not good, what is the point? So see those things before getting into any private or government college. This is same for both. But for the government college, at least you have a government thing on your degree when you will get passed. Correct. So first thing is search is the college is good or not. I have told you, go for LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, and ask people. Comment it below. People will answer if they want to, but most of the people will answer. And never listen to those people who are just saying by themselves, like, yeah, it's good. No, you should, because you will spend your 3 years or 2 years in that college, so you should be satisfied. Like, see, anyhow, anyone will see, you will not feel like it's, yeah, it's the best college, it's nothing, but it should be moderately good, that you will not feel bad studying there. Okay, the third thing, which is the most important thing that you should know before getting into any private college. This is same for the government college also, but government colleges are more good in these cases, and they will not do these things. The most important thing is they should publish your result on time. Yes, like, ask people who are studying there that they are getting the results on time or not, because some great universities are there, they will not publish your result on time, and then you will face the consequences in your postgrad or in your PhD. Because anyhow, if you will go from one place to another, the another place will ask for the documents to get to take your admission, है ना? So research about these things, that result are publishing or not. One more thing is, when you will pass your college from that college, like when you pass your degree, okay, and you are trying to move out, you should get some documents like PSC migration, provisional degree certificate, everything. Try to know that if they are giving it on time or they are doing drama, because many colleges are doing drama and the student will face these issues, and they will not give you a shit, they will not care about it, I am telling you. So as a experienced person, and as an experienced student, I am saying you, see these things before getting into the college. And the most important thing is the third thing, because if the academic is not good, anyhow you will pass. If the practical is not good, anyhow you will manage. But the important thing is that you should get your documents on time. You should not feel like you're asking for something different. Okay, so see for these things, because these things should be good. And third point is very important, you will understand this when you will face these issues. Okay, so that's it for my this video. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment it below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I reply late because I don't open it regularly, but I will open. You can contact me there, I will reply. And if you will ask for the private colleges, that which college I can go, I don't have much idea about it, and I will not say you blindly that go there and go there. But as I think you people know, I did my graduation from Bangalore. So for like the colleges of Bangalore, most of the private colleges I know, because I don't think there is any government college for forensic science there. So if you will ask for private colleges in Bangalore, I can suggest you, or else if you have any doubt, you can comment it below. I will ask my friends, because I do have friends in Bangalore and now in North also. Many people are there, so I can ask and I can guide you if I will know the information. So, but this is all about this video. I think it will be useful. You will get to know when you will graduate. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.